story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.